guys, today I want to show you some FPV training flights I did in a lost place called Wismaria, located in the small town of Wismar. In the end of the video I also used the sport mode of the DJI Neo 2 to give you a little tour of the inside of this lost place. This lost place is an old vacant factory building in which used to be a mold factory. Today it kinda is used as an hotspot for graffiti artists because right beside the factory is an hall of fame for them where they can legally show their art skills. I also found an article about the history of this place, which I will link down below if you're interested. It is possible to get inside, but you have to climb a rope to even get on the first floor, and getting higher is way more risky. The building isn't safe in any way, as you will probably see. Parts of the roofs are already collapsed and even parts of the floors are already broken, so I wouldn't recommend going in there. Somehow some mad lads still managed to spray inside and even on top of the roof, but I really did not want to climb up there and therefore only flew very carefully inside to not lose my drone. Nevertheless, it's kind of mind-blowing to me that you can do these kind of shots with a €240 drone, and that so easy without getting yourself in danger. I hope you have fun watching the video. If you have any good ideas where to go next or what I could improve, let me know in the comments. Until next time, peace out.
Just getting started, it's a part of the game. Building anticipation, getting close to the edge. Now you think I see you more than a friend. Better late than never. Now it's all over me. These reflections of you, who you want me to be. Do I wanna be you? Is it only a dream? To understand, just like the back of my hand, I can read you front to back. I could tell you want it bad, like it when you want attack. Come on over, make me mad.